Alright guys, and welcome to today's video. So on today's video guys, we are going to be talking about the LayerEdge airdrop. So LayerEdge is expected to end on January 28th, but it didn't end. That was because of the latest update that has been brought out, which I am actually going to be sharing on this video, and I'm going to be making you guys understand it properly. Right now, pay close attention, watch the video to the end. Let me break everything down for you so that you know what to do right now to actually be on the safest position. All right, so right now guys, let's get started right about now. But before we start properly guys, remember I'm crypto mechanic, and on this channel guys, I teach you guys how to make money in the crypto space. I help you resolve crypto related problem, and most importantly, I do give out ton to our community. For example, if you want to be participating on the ton giveaway which we run right here, simply make sure that you like this video, make sure you are subscribed already, share the video, and put a very nice and interesting comment right there on the comment section. The winners are announced on our Telegram channel. Right now guys, let's now continue with the video. So to get started with all this, let's now go ahead to their Twitter account. So over here guys, this is their Twitter account, and right here guys, this is where they make a lot of updates, but we are not interested in all that. We are interested on this one that they actually made 11 hours ago. Right here they said happy lunar new year. All right guys, this was where they actually made a whole lot of updates and gave us a lot of breakdown concerning their projects. For example, they went ahead to say that we are overwhelmed with the participation we have received, over 5 million plus unique wallet in less than a week. Okay, so with almost 1 million plus users participating in running browser-based light node, helping us stress test and contributing to the vision of building the Bitcoin-backed internet. So they went ahead to say something like, we are now extending our phase 1 for the Lunar New Year week, and will announce details about the phase 2 and CLI node very soon. So this is to say that they are actually giving us a little breathing room. All right, so in this breathing room, we are now expected to actually completely fulfill the airdrop eligibility criteria, which is for you to actually achieve 50 hours running time on their website, running their node, something like that. So right now guys, let's now break it down completely. Over here guys, on this tweet right here, this is where they actually made a lot of things clear. For example, they say some key reminders. You can see the first one is 50 hours plus uptime of the light node is required for you and your referrals, so that referral points are considered. So right now guys, let me now break it down completely so that you can understand it. So let me read it again. 50 hours plus uptime of the light node is required for you and your referral, so that referrals points are considered confirmed from current pending state. So right now guys, like I already told you guys, a lot of us are not going to be qualifying for this airdrop, for this airdrop, simply because we are not doing what we are supposed to do. A lot of people actually registered on this airdrop and they went ahead to go and just settle down without doing what they are supposed to do. So then guys, we are now required to actually achieve a minimum of 50 hours uptime before we can then qualify for this airdrop, and also before the people that you refer can also be considered to to be qualified for the airdrop as well. For example, let me now take you back to the light node, and over here guys, you can see this is the dashboard right here. When I click over here guys on this trail lines, you can see I will go to referrals right now, and over here guys on the referral section, this is going to be taking us to referral section. Actually, you can see I have just 19 referral right here, because this is actually a new update that I gave to my community. So I have only 19 referrals right here, and when you look down here, you can see that pending referral is 19, and also this is the reward that I'm supposed to get, but they are pending. Reason why they are pending right there is because they have not yet achieved the 50 hours running time. And right now guys, once you have created your account, you need to make sure that you actually achieve this 50 hours running time. The question right now is, how do you actually achieve this 50 hours running time? To achieve the 50 hours running time, you simply need to make sure that you have actually come in, log in every single day. That's very important. Log in every day and make sure that your node is running until you do that consecutively until 50 hours time has passed. That's simply how you achieve this 50 hours running time. So right now guys, let me take you back and give you guys the second instance, which is make sure to check in at least once every 24 hours and ensure you have started node every day. Just like what I'll just say right now, make sure you log into the website every day and make sure that your node is running. Make sure that's very important. Log in at least once every 24 hours. Okay, very, very important. Also make sure that you are claiming your daily reward, because the daily reward is right there. I will be showing you before the end of the video. So over here guys, the third one is referring others would at least need you to have 50 hours of uptime. Remember, referring others would at least need you to have 50 hours of uptime. This means that before you can refer others, you need to actually have a minimum of 50 hours of uptime. So this means that you need to, I know 50 hours should be around 3 days, okay, simply 3 days, or even not even up to 3 days actually, before you can be able to refer others. And right now the fourth one is any IP sending multiple requests will be rate limited. You can hack your IP address. They are trying to say check right here. You can check your IP status in the FAQ page. This means that if you are trying to farm with multiple accounts using the same IP, this means that you could be rate limited. When you say rate limited, it means that you could be, banned, something like that. So if you are farming this LayerEdge airdrop, make sure you are using just a simple account on a single device. Running a multiple account on a single device could actually get your account rate limited. So right now guys, let's now go ahead and check the FAQ page to see how we can be able to check if our account is rate limited. So taking you back right now to the to this page, LayerEdge page, I will click on this straight line again, then I will click on FAQ right here. And over here guys, on FAQ, when you look down, you can see we have enter your IP to check if you are rate limited. This means that once you input your device IP address right here, you click on check status and you will see if your IP is rate limited or not. Okay, but I believe that most of us running this airdrop is actually doing actually has one account, okay, on one device. Okay, so then guys, that means that that one is gone. And over here guys, the last one, the fifth one is soon we will add email authentication before you can refer. So this simply means that if you do not join this airdrop early enough, very soon you are going to need email verification before you can be able to successfully create an account or refer someone into this LayerEdge airdrop. So this means that the sooner you are joining into this airdrop, the better for you, because during when email authentication is going to be live, you could get delayed. I'm trying to say that assuming that you are now requesting for a code, the code could delay more than you expect, making you to either leave the whole thing up, or just you could find it a bit difficult when you are trying to actually get the code from your email by then. So meaning that this is actually the best time for you to actually join this airdrop. Remember, the link is going to be on the video description. So right now, the last one right here is just referring on the dashboard will invalidate your points. So make sure you have also just referring on the dashboard will invalidate your points. So make sure you are also running the light node within a minimum of 50 hours uptime. So right now, what do they mean right here? What they mean is that just by referring people into this project doesn't mean that you are now qualified fully to actually receive, no matter the amount of points that you have got so far. For example, right now I have got something like 84,691 points right here, but this point that I've got right here could be invalidated, assuming that I got all these points right here through referring people. Example, for the people that actually has number of that has huge number of audience, the amount of token that they have earned could be very massive, but they are trying to let us know that even if you have 1 billion points right here and you didn't achieve the light node running time of 50 hours, the point that you have earned right here will be invalidated. This means that you need to make sure that you personally have achieved 50 hours running time before you can be considered to be eligible for the airdrop, because having only the referral points right here doesn't mean that you are qualified to receive the airdrop. That's what they simply mean. Okay, so going back right now, I think that is the last thing that they say right there. This is the thing that you actually need to put in mind right now before you can be able to secure a very good spot on this LayerEdge airdrop. I believe you have been able to understand some stuff right now. Taking you back right here, let's now go ahead and of course check the FAQ page again. So when I click on FAQ right here, you can see that there are a lot of questions that have been answered right here. For example, where can I get my referral code to join? When you click on this drop down, you can see that you can find your referral link on our Discord. Here is the link to join LayerEdge Discord. So it's very simple. Also, your referral link is also right here on this page. Okay, you can click right here guys on this straight line and of course come over here to referral to get your referral link. Very simple. Okay, so right now guys, let's now go ahead and check out other things right here. Okay, so for example, the next question is my node points turn 0. So if your node points eventually turn 0, what does that mean, or how do you resolve it? Let's now check it together. Over here they say something like there is no need to worry. Points accrued before and during the maintenance downtime will be added to your balance. This means that if they are now on their maintenance time, that is if they are trying to maintain their website, that those points that you are supposed to get during that time of the maintenance, those points you are supposed to get during that time will also be added up to your balance, despite that you might find it difficult to actually load up your balance. That's what they mean, that all you are supposed to earn is going to be given to you no matter what. That's what I'm trying to say. So over here guys, and this one is any hardware required to run the node. Let's now check it out. So over here guys, there is no specific hardware required for running browser-based node. You simply need your device. That is all. Okay, so then guys, the next one is how to submit proofs. When I click on it right now, you can see over here guys, they say something like, for now you can generate and send random proof to the testnet. Soon they will be integrated into the task page where you will endpoint for pushing proof. Here's what you can do right away: push a proof and check it on the latest batch at the explorer.layeredge.io. Click on the show proof on the last badge. Share your proof on X by clicking on share on X to contribute to the CT and claim points. Stay tuned. Once the task page is live, we will release a detailed announcement with all the step and dashboard features. So then guys, this is not something that we should be bothered about, but because they're actually trying to be talking about this, okay, you can see this task right here is not yet live, and also this proof is not yet live. So they say that when it becomes live, they are actually going to be giving you guys more detail. They are going to be giving us more detail on how we can be able to go about it. So right now we have the next one, which is what to write in submit proof. So all this right here, you don't need to be bothered about them, because when they are live, you are going to be given the guidelines to be able to participate on it. Okay, so right now the last one is, do I need to keep my browser running to keep earning points? When you click on it like this, let's check what it means. No, you will keep earning points. Here how it works. Okay, no, you will keep earning points. Here's how it works. Each section lasts for 24 hours until January 28th, which is supposed to be yesterday, and you can run your node for 12 hours within a session to earn points from January 28th onward. So right now guys, you can see starting from today that I'm making this video, today is 29th of January. That is, starting from today, you are going to need to run your node for 12 hours within each section, not 24 hours. This means that after every 12 hours, you need to actually come in and restart your node, something like that. That's what I'm trying to say right here. And I have already talked about this one. And this is the simple update about LayerEdge that you actually need to have off here right now, so that it will guide you on how you can be able to position yourself very well to be able to receive your own LayerEdge airdrop. So it is very simple guys. If you have any question, let me have it on the comment section and I will address you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like this video that you just watched right now to keep me motivated to actually make more educational content for you. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you guys on my next video. Do have a lovely day.